Area 6 Sky Tracker, sponsored by Baugh Auto Body.
Welcome back. Hey, look at this video out of New York. I mean, it rocked New York on Sunday. You can see lightning crashing down over the Hudson. 3 people are being treated for burns after being hit by lightning on a beach there. And storm chasers captured this amazing video of a powerful storm rolling through Denison, Iowa. The National Weather Service reports a man got hit by lightning there too. The big danger there is flooding. For us, it's Labor Day. A lot of people are looking forward to the weekend, Carrie.
Yeah, that's right. So from this weekend, it has been getting a little bit hotter, a little bit more humid each day, and that's our story outside right now. It's a beautiful day, sure, and the animals outside enjoying it out at the zoo location, partly cloudy skies. But ooh, look at these temperatures. It's noon and it's already hanging out around 90 degrees in most locations, and this is what it feels like to you if you're sitting in the shade. It feels like it's 97 in Mechanicsville and in Richmond. Feels like it's 97 in Chester. Broadening back out, heat indices are ranging generally into the mid to upper 90s right now, and I expect us in Richmond to top out with a heat index of about 100 this afternoon. Now we're back to the thermometer readings here, so this is what the actual air temperature is. 88 in Louisa, 93 in Richmond, 88 for you in Petersburg, and it feels so muggy. This is why we have seen those heat index values soaring, because these values here into the upper 60s and lower 70s make it feel so humid to muggy to you. Remember the dew point, it's a measure of the moisture in the air, and because we do still have that moisture around and the heating, you can see on our satellite and radar pictures still plenty of sunshine coming down through these partly cloudy skies. We should have that chance, slim though it may be, for a few isolated showers and storms later this afternoon and evening. Right now it's 93 degrees, partly cloudy out at the airport, a touch on the breezy side with gusts up around 28 miles per hour. This afternoon we should easily hit 95 for our air temperature reading, but remember the heat index will make it feel closer to 100 for you. Rain chances, even though they're slim, they're not non-existent. We'll have that opportunity for an isolated storm or two during the later afternoon hours and through the evening especially. But the big story for today, and in fact for the entire week, it's the heat and the humidity, and that combination will make things very uncomfortable. In fact, highs will stay into the 90s all week for us, and I think tomorrow for the first day of school is likely going to be our hottest day of the week. But recapping, all of you have been asking me about this on Facebook, our summer summary. Warmer and drier than average, and a lot of people on the heels of August, which was cooler than average, are like, wait, what? How did that happen? Well, that was because the month of June and the month of July were both warmer than average. That's what the plus sign means here. So even though we had that deficit, that cooler than average month in August, the sum there is that it was slightly warmer than average. And of course, we know we were much drier than average and desperately needed the rain, about 3.5 inches in the hole for summertime. So let's see how our rain chances look for this afternoon. Not great. You can just see a few blips of green popping up there through the late afternoon, early evening time frame, and that's it for our rain chances. So with the story for today, it is going to likely be the heat and the humidity for you, with that southwest breeze staying up for us even during the overnight period. Partly cloudy, temperatures into the upper 60s and low to mid 70s. Tomorrow, though, as I mentioned, will be our hottest day of the week. And remember, first day of school, so make sure kids are dressed appropriately as they're coming home from school tomorrow afternoon. They'll have to be walking away from the bus stop and getting home with temperatures like this, heat indices ranging 100 to 105. So why is it so hot? We've got this area of high pressure parked off to our east, so the clockwise flow around that is what's pumping in all that heat and humidity. Storm system way off to our north and west will send a little bit of energy toward us tomorrow, which will be, as I mentioned, hot and humid, so I wouldn't be surprised to see at least a few scattered showers and storms even into the evening hours on Tuesday as this cool front tries to come in for us early on Wednesday. What's it going to do for our temperatures? Well, at least it knocks them down into the lower 90s for Thursday and Friday and gives us a couple of dry days for sure. But we need the rain, Rob.
Yeah, we sure do. Thanks, Carrie. Well, what do you